Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we will check how to integrate webhooks into our Click-to-Chat plugin using Pipedream. The Click-to-Chat plugin for WordPress allows seamless WhatsApp integration, with webhooks enabling automated event handling for custom workflows. Navigate to the Click-to-Chat and then go to the Other setting page. Scroll down and we got to see Webhook section. In this webhook section we can integrate URL. And we can also add values here. Let's create webhook URL. In this video we are using Pipedream website for integrating the URL. Log in with your credentials and click on the New Project button. We can name our project here. And I am naming as Click-to-Chat Webhooks. Now we can create a workflow for our project. Click on New button and then select Workflow. Name your workflow. Here I am naming this workflow as CTC Workflow. Now we got the Add Trigger button, click on that button. Now select New HTTP/webhook requests. Here we got some data. Check that. And click on Save and Continue. Here we got our unique URL. Copy the URL. And come back to the admin dashboard and paste the unique URL in the Webhook URL section. And here I am adding values. I am adding Click-to-Chat as a value here. I am adding a number manually, and this can be replaced by the pro variable number. Instead of adding of values directly, we can use pro variable to get the values dynamically. Here I am replacing this number as a pro variable number. This will replace with the number that added in the Click-to-Chat settings. And I am adding URL. This will replace with the page URL. Now we can add time. This will replace with time along with the date of today. And I am also adding title. This will replace with the title of the page. We can get URL parameters values by adding the value within the single square brackets. We can also get cookie values by adding _GA variable. Here I am adding GCLID as a value. And we can add _GA variable to get cookie values. Click on Save Changes to save our data. Now go to the front end of the website and make some triggers by clicking on the widget. This will redirect us to WhatsApp web. Now come back to the Pipedream. Here we got to see one new event occurs. Click on that event. Here we got the data according to the values we have added in the webhook section. And we got number here because as we added it in the values. And the URL is coming from the website when the user is interacted. And here got the time along with the date. And the title value is replaced by the title of the website. Here the value 6, which is URL parameter, is empty, because we haven't added any parameters to the URL. And if you want to add the parameters, you can add a key value pairs to the URL. Hence we got that URL parameters values here. And we got these cookie value from the browser inspect tools. We can store this data by integrating with other apps. In this video we are using Google Sheets to store our data. Search for it if you don't see that. Select Google Sheets. And then click on Add Single Row. Here connect your Google account to share this data to the spreadsheet. And now select the spreadsheet to store the data. I have already prepared a spreadsheet, so I am adding that. Now select the sheet name that where the data you want to be stored. Select True if the header's included. Now assign the values according to the spreadsheet headers. After adding all the values, click on Test, and the row details will be appeared here. Now go to the spreadsheet that you have prepared. You got to see the latest values here, which was added recently. Here URL parameters values are empty because it contains null values. And we got cookie value here. And also we got URL, title, number, and the plugin name. This is how we can integrate using Pipedream. Thanks for watching.